The Z-axis tower mod requires 2 8mm threaded rods, 4 printed base feet, 2 printed tower mounts, 4 printed Mark II ball heads, 4 M5 by 25mm cap socket bolts, 8 M3 by 10mm cap socket bolts, 6 M8 nuts, and 2 M8 nylon lock nuts. The Z-axis brace mod helps to eliminate the movement in the tower which affects the print quality. Install the front feet by removing the original M5 cap bolts. These will be replaced with the longer M5 bolts to accommodate the wider feet. Repeat the process on all 4 corners of the printer. Remove the 4 cap bolts from the Z-axis tower tops one side at a time. Install the printed tower mount using the longer M3 by 10mm cap bolts. With the threaded rods cut to length, screw one M8 nylon lock nut to one end of the rod. With the printer on its side, install the threaded rod up through the front corner. Screw on an M8 nut to the other end of the rod. At this stage, optional heat shrink can be added. Screw on one more M8 nut to the end of the threaded rod. Take one of the printed ball heads and place it over the nut. Pass the assembly through the top tower mount. Add one more printed ball and one M8 nut to the end to complete the assembly. Loosely adjust the top nuts. Then, with an open end spanner, tighten the lower nut. With a blowtorch, add some heat to the heat shrink, taking care around the plastic parts. Repeat the same process with the other front mount. Once installed, level the bed with the Y-axis rods, then check and adjust the top nuts until the Z-axis is square. Add strips of self-adhesive non-slip rubber on the bottom of all 4 corners to complete the mod.